Lot 170 is the 1960 Jaguar XK150S 3.4 liter Roadster. We've never seen a more elegant 150, a rich shade of deep blue over gray, with white wall tires and the sporting higher horsepower S engine made it to an overdrive transmission. As you'd expect, we only search for the very, very best. This one is a 100-point JCNA restoration, matching numbers, of course, as confirmed by its heritage certificate.
You know, it's the color combination that really gets me on this car. It is absolutely sublime. There should all be this color, and of course it's an S. Ladies and gentlemen, what should we say? Telephones are coming through on this lot. Plenty of interest. This great quality Jaguar XK150 coming up on stage now. I'm going to the bidding here. What should we say? 180, sir? Absolutely. I can start at 80. Of course, 80,000. Absolutely magnificent XK at $80,000 now. Revenue advance. So I have $100,000 now. 100,000. Thank you. 100,000 I have bid. Do I have $120,000 now anywhere now? 120, thank you. 120,000 I have. 120, 140, sir. We're at $120,000 only. Do I have 140? Thank you. $140,000 I have taken. Do I have 160 now? 150,000 I have. Do I have 160 now? Telephones are still coming through. We're at $150,000. Do I have 160? Well, I'm selling the car, make absolutely no mistake, at 150, absolutely sorry young man, 160. My 7-year-old bidder is back at $160,000. At 160, his dad's on the phone not paying attention, he's just waving at me. 160, $170,000 is bid on the telephone. Do I have 180,000 now? We're at 170, 180,000, thank you. 180 on the telephone, do I have 190 now? At 180,000, and it's in the room. Do I have 100? 200. $200,000 I am bid at $200,000 now. 200,000. Do I have 210? Do I have 210? We're at $200,000. Selling all the way, of course. It's all no reserve. 210. Thank you. $210,000 I have on the telephone. The battle is on. 230. $230,000 now at 230. Do I have $240,000? The bid's in the room. It's selling all the way, ladies and gentlemen. 240 on the telephone, thank you. It shall be at 240. Do I have 250? My eyes are on you. 250 with an X. That's 250,000 with an X. 260 with RJ maybe. We're at 260 on the telephone. At $260,000, the bid is on the telephone. The car is leaving, but you can still bid. 270. 270. I told you what the colors it did. At $270,000. Now, in advance, on my left, at $270,000. It's selling all the way. It's going. At $270,000. It's going for the first time. I've got to count it down. 275,000 I have on the telephone again. 280 with Stephanie, thank you. 280,000 now. At 280,000, it's not over yet. I can feel $300,000 coming. That's 280 on the phone. Do I have 290? 290. Do I have $300,000 I am bid? At $300,000. The bid's on the phone. Do I have 310,000? 310. It ain't over yet at $310,000. It's with Stephanie. Do I have $320,000 now? At $310,000. I'm just checking in with my friends over here. At 310, making sure you're making the right decision, that's all. At $310,000, I am selling on the telephone. It's going for the first time. At 310, well, thank you for the bids. It's going for the second time to the last woman standing for the third and the last time with $310,000. Sold! Congratulations, well done. 4440, $310,000.